In a small village nestled within the picturesque Italian Alps, a peculiar courtroom drama was unfolding. The humble villagers, usually preoccupied with tending to their farms and herding sheep, now found themselves enraptured by a sensational trial that pitted man against beast. The accused, a bear named Bruno. The charges, murder. Local shepherd, Pietro, had been found dead one crisp autumn morning, his body bearing the brutal marks of a bear attack. Whispers of terror rippled through the village, and it wasn't long before Bruno, a massive brown bear known to roam the local forests, was fingered as the culprit. But as the trial began, it became evident that Bruno's conviction was anything but a foregone conclusion. Defending Bruno was Elisa, a spirited young lawyer from Milan who had grown up in the village. While many saw the case as open and shut, Elisa saw an opportunity to challenge the villagers' quick judgments and instill a sense of justice that wasn't swayed by fear and superstition. The prosecutor, a stern and seasoned attorney named Vittorio, painted a vivid picture of a violent beast lurking in the woods, driven by primal instincts. He staged elaborate reenactments with bloodied mannequins and chillingly realistic sound effects of growls and breaking bones. The villagers gasped and shivered, their collective gaze often drifting uneasily towards the caged Bruno who sat silently in the corner, his dark eyes seemingly filled with a haunting sadness. But Elisa was relentless. She brought in wildlife experts who testified that bear attacks on humans were exceedingly rare and usually only occurred when the animal felt threatened. She highlighted Pietro's reputation for being a reckless and foolhardy man who often took unnecessary risks. She also presented evidence that suggested Pietro might have been suffering from a medical condition that made him prone to accidents. As the days wore on, doubt began to creep into the villagers' minds. It was during the closing arguments that Elisa truly shone. She spoke passionately about the need for a fair trial, not just for humans but for all living creatures.